Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The heavens have opened up over Queensland and there aren't too many places safe from rain at the moment. Rain should start easing tomorrow, but the wind certainly will not, so I'd recommend a game of chess if you have the luxury to stay at home. Byfield picked up 90 millimetres of rain overnight. We had 70 mils at Melrose. Rockhampton, 57 millimetres. Yeppoon, 49, and even Emerald had 24 mils. The temperature range in Rocky today was an extraordinary 21 to 23 degrees due to obvious lack of sun. In Biloela, the mercury only got to 21. To the satellite loop now, cloud is starting to take form. We can see two vortices, one in the Gulf of Carpentaria that's spinning up. That's a low. We've always got our eyes on those monsoonal type lows. And there's another low that's formed offshore from the Capricorn coast, and you can also see the cluster of storms around that area. In general, just a blow up of rain right across eastern Queensland, which has been destabilised as well by an upper level trough, as always during these heavy rain events. Now on today's chart, the surface features are pretty evident. You've got that low in the Gulf of Carpentaria that's formed and the other low off the Capricorn coast. And this low has accentuated the wind to its south. We've already seen gale force winds right through Wide Bay and southeast coast waters. And of course, north of that trough, we're still getting that very unstable air mass. Tomorrow's chart, the low starts to move south, bringing the heaviest weather through the Wide Bay, but we're still going to have continuous rain through much of eastern Queensland. On the outlook chart, we see now that the Gulf flow starts to cross the Cape, and maybe next week we'll start moving into the Coral Sea, which is another worry for next week's forecasts. Now, the boating forecast for Capricornian waters, a strong wind warning for all waters south of Cape Capricorn. Southeasterlies reaching 30 knots there, and southerlies 20 to 30 knots, all waters on Friday, continuing through Saturday but shifting southeast. Our first tide tomorrow will be a low, followed by a modest high tide in the afternoon. We're fortunate to be right on half moon neap tide in light of the rising seas predicted. Capricornia district forecast, more rain tomorrow and thunderstorms. Gladstone and Rockhampton just 25 degrees, Biloela only 21 and Yeppoon 24. Central Highlands and Coalfields, it'll be cloudy but only showers this time, no general rain. Emerald and Claremont just 23 degrees, Moranbah 25. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, allow for a few showers each day to avoid disappointment, though hopefully some longer sunny breaks on Friday, Saturday and again on Tuesday. Note the very low temperatures for this time of year. And that's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company. Thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow. Catch you then. But for now, it's back to the team.
Okay, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Wednesday. Thanks for your company.
Reminder, if you missed anything, you can catch up at our 7 Plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.